With the blessing name of Allah is most merciful and most beneficent. Today we are going to talk about what is incognito mode. What is incognito mode? We are going to discuss it in the details. First of all, I open an incognito mode here, and then we will start to discuss it. And now you can browse privately, and other people who use this device will not see your activity. However, download bookmarks and reading list atom will be saved. I have you understand? And it means that whenever you browse anything on incognito mode, your searching or browsing history or data will not be saved on your device. However, please remain in mind that your data will be stored on your Google account. Okay, it's relating term to your Google account. Data will be stored or saved to your Google account or the Chrome browser or any other browser that you are going to use. Okay, and the relevant browser must have access to your searching or browsing history, however you are using the incognito mode. Okay, now going to discuss all the details. Now you can moving before Chrome would not save the following information. Okay, your browsing history, cookies, and site data and information stored in forms. Your activity might still visible to website you visit, your employer or school, your internet services provider. Okay, have you understand that thing? Block third-party cookies. When on site cannot use cookies that track you across the web. Features or some sites may also break it. So that were the brief discussions about the incognito mode. If you are going to use the incognito mode, then please keep the 6 point in your mind. Your browsing history, cookies and site data, information entered in forms, and on the other side, the remaining 3 points of website you visit, your employer or school, and finally the last point, your internet services provider. So at the end of video, I will request you please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I hope you find my video informative and knowledgeable. So also provide your suggestion in the comment box below. Uh, we will meet tomorrow with a new tutorial, with a new video. Take care. Goodbye.